How to make easy money with AI. Plus $1,000 extra. AI writing software is quickly becoming a staple in the business world. Whether it's AI-generated content or images, many people are using these machine learning services to power their content marketing efforts. More and more companies are using AI-powered tools to help with content creation, and the results have been impressive. What does AI writing software do? AI writing software allows you to use artificial intelligence and machine learning to write blog posts faster, including marketing copy. Here are some of the features AI writing software can offer: automated content creation, brainstorming ideas, editing and proofreading, improve your writing skills, create long-form content that is search engine optimization ready, produce high-quality content for yourself or clients' AI-generated images. That said, you can see how this machine learning technology can help you make money online and change your daily lives forever. Just imagine using a service that can act as a virtual copywriting assistant or create your images. 1. Start an article writing agency. You can create a team of AI copywriters or do it yourself. Either way, you'll be able to produce high-quality blog articles quickly and efficiently. Plus, with AI software, you'll be able to scale your business quickly and easily. With ChatGPT and AI art features, you can easily create a high-quality article that businesses are willing to pay for. I recently saw a free training from Jasper.ai where they go into detail using AI writing tools with a content writing agency. 2. Improve already existing content. Using artificial intelligence to improve already existing content is a great way to make money as a freelance writer. If you have clients that are happy with the work you're already doing, offer to improve their blog posts using AI software. Grammarly does this well once you've already created the content or the company needs you to review their published posts. 3. Write sales copy for other businesses. Sales copy is a vital part of any business's marketing strategy. It's what helps to sell products and services, and it can make or break a company's success. This is especially important when you or companies create landing pages, product launches, or email sequences. Not everyone is good at writing sales copy, so you can look like an expert in your industry by using an AI system, Jasper, or ChatGPT. You can write product descriptions and add copy with the power of artificial intelligence copywriting. 4. Create video scripts for content creators. With the help of an AI tool, you can easily create video scripts for YouTubers and other content creators. Many video creators want to outsource their script writing since this is one of the content creation process's most challenging and time-consuming parts.